Hi, today we are going to look at how to create this kind of stunning AI short film purely with unlimited image and video generation at no cost. I know you guys are tired of creating different email IDs every single time when you hit the daily image generation limits. Yes, I know how frustrating it is. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, then you know how important AI images are in order to create engaging content. But here's the problem. There are only a few really good image generators that can generate high quality and amazing images, and the best ones are not free, so you have to pay to use them, or they have a daily limit, which makes it hard to use them as much as you want. My top 3 AI image generators are Midjourney, Ideogram, and Flux. Now, as we all know, Midjourney is not free anymore. Ideogram has a daily image generation limit, and Flux too. But no need to worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a way through which you can generate images for free without any limits. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part is, you can generate the images using the Flux 1.1 model, which in my opinion is the best AI image generation model. Here are some of the images I have generated using the tool, and you can see all of the images look really amazing and high quality. I will try to keep this video as detailed as possible, so make sure you pay good attention. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The name of the tool is Mistral AI. It is a large language model like ChatGPT, and it can also generate high quality images. And the best part is, it uses the Flux 1.1 model to generate the images. For those who don't know, Flux has taken the internet by storm for its amazing quality and ultra-realistic images. I have been using Flux for a while, and trust me, this is the only AI image generator that is at Midjourney's level. And in some cases, it is even better than Midjourney. Now, there are multiple ways to use Flux, but none of them are free anymore. So after doing a lot of research, I have finally found Mistral AI. To get started, simply go to the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. This is the main interface. As you can see, it's pretty simple and kind of looks like ChatGPT, because it's a chatbot after all. Now here, you can see 3 options: Canvas, Web Search, and Image Generation. Select the Image Generation option, and now we need to give it a prompt. I'm going to give it this prompt, a beautiful woman looking at the camera, and hit enter. It really doesn't take much time to generate the image. And here's the output. Just look at this image. It looks absolutely stunning.
Oh my
Look at the
god!
hair, the eyes, and the details on her skin. It looks really awesome. Trust me, no other AI image generator will be able to create images of this quality. Now, to download it, you can just right-click this download icon, and the image will be downloaded. Now let's try one more. This time I'm going to use the same prompt, but I will just add 3D animation style at the end, and then hit enter. Here's the output. You can see how easily the image style was changed, and it looks absolutely stunning too. If this was an animated movie, I would definitely watch it. It's just too good. Let's try one more. This time, let's ask it to create an image prompt, and then we will use that prompt to generate the image. First, let's click on this plus icon to create a new chat, then make sure none of these options are selected from here. Then I will ask it to generate an image prompt here and hit enter. As you can see, it has generated the image. Now, let's check how good this prompt is. Let's just copy this prompt, then open a new chat, select image generation from here, then paste the prompt and hit enter. And here is the output. You can see that the tiger looks so detailed and realistic.
Oh my god!
Now in Flux, I have found that the simpler your prompts are, the better the results. So make sure to always give simple prompts. And if you are using AI to generate prompts, make sure you ask the AI to generate simple prompts like I did. Let's try one more image. This time, I'm going to give it this prompt. Cinematic scene of Pearl Harbor, World War II, and hit enter. Here is the output. You can see it looks absolutely stunning and almost looks like a scene from a movie. Trust me, no other free AI image generator can create images like this. This is just too good. Now just imagine the kind of content you can create using this tool. You are only limited by your imagination. In fact, it is the most talked about feature of the image model, and it even beats Midjourney in terms of adding text images. To do that, you need to give it a prompt. I have given it this prompt, a beautiful woman holding a sign that says, "Subscribe to the world how?" Then hit enter. And here is the output. This is just stunning. You can see there are no typos or any weird morphing. The text is clear, and as described in the prompt, even the fingers don't look weird. Trust me, even Midjourney cannot generate image text as accurately and flawlessly as this. This is awesome. And if you have made it this far into the video, you can consider subscribing to the channel. Now let me tell you about a few little limitations that this tool has. Firstly, as you might have already noticed, it can only generate images in one dimension. You cannot change the default dimensions. But no need to worry, because I will show you a way to expand the images for free. Next, I feel sometimes it uses lower models of Flux to generate the images. If you use it, you will see some images will be really high quality and some not so much. I'm not entirely sure about this, but sometimes it feels like that. Next, you cannot use this to generate any type of image of any celebrity. It will always give you a message like this. Overall, this is an amazing tool to generate great images, and it's completely free without any limits, which is awesome. And now let me show you how you can expand any images for free using AI. Simply go to firefly.adobe.com or click on the link in the description to open this. Then scroll down and click on Generative Fill. After that, you need to upload the image here. Next, click on Expand, and then you can select the desired aspect ratio from here or do it manually like this. I will choose 16.9 and click on Generate and let it do the magic. And as you can see, it has expanded the image and it looks awesome. Also, it has created different variations, so you can choose the one you like or you can always regenerate. I like this one. So I will select this and click on Keep, then download the image from here. Here it is. It looks great. But as you can see, it has added a watermark. So let me show you how to remove the watermark easily. First, click on the link in the description to open ClipDrop. Then upload your image here. After that, brush over the watermark carefully like this. Next, click on Clean, then give it a few seconds, and it will remove the watermark just like this. Now you can download the image from here, and you are done. Now I have used this image and turned it into a stunning video like this. Let me show you how I did it. First, click on the link in the description to open Minimax. This is the best AI video generator available right now. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 100 free credits to generate videos, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. They used to give 3 days of unlimited generation for new users before, but now they have stopped it. To generate the video, simply go to the image to video option and upload your image here. Next, you need to give it a prompt here, or you can just leave it blank. I will give it this prompt and hit generate, and here is the output. Just take a look at this. This is absolutely stunning. It straight up looks like a scene from a movie. Now without a good input image, you will never get an awesome output like this. Here's a quick example of a movie trailer I created using Flux and Minimax. Wasn't that absolutely awesome?
Wow!
People are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching.